Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this bookmark by Kumihimo Braid. Let's get started. How to make Kumihimo disc. Use a cardboard and make circle and cut 32 of them on the edge evenly. Just a little cut, okay? And put the number from 1 to 32. Then make a hole in the middle. Okay? You can buy it too, but it's a little, pricey. So why don't you just make one? It's easy. Choose 2 different colors. I use really skinny yarn, pink and blue, and I prepare 36-inch length each of them. Okay, 2 pink and 2 blue, both of them 36-inch, and fold in half like that and put some band, elastic band is okay. All right, so now the length from that middle should be 18-inch. Then put through just like that. Okay, now let's set up. The pink, you have to hook number 1 and 32. 1 and 32. And the other side, still pink, 16 and 17. 16 and 17. Don't pull too hard yet. Then now blue, 8, 9. Then the other side, 24 and 25. Once you hook everything, just pull little, tightly and evenly. Okay? Now, let's get started. Pick up the pink from 1, the right side, and goes to right side of 16. So put 15. Then pick up the yarn, the left side, and goes up the left side of the pink up there. So 31. And move the disc to the left, then pick up the right yarn, which is 9, then hook it into 23, right side. Pick up right and hook to the right side, and pick up left now, then put the left side. Again, pick up right side and hook right side. Then pick up left and left side. And you just keep doing this. And disc always goes to the left. There you go. And you just keep doing this until your desired length. Okay? if you get confused which color is next, just see the yarn carefully who's on top of who. Okay? Pink was on top of blue, so next should be blue. So I'm done. I did this maybe 1 hour, something like that, and I had enough length. So to take the yarn off from the disc, and I tie the knot at the very end tightly, very tightly. And I'm actually making the bookmark, so I tie the knot right there. But if you want to make the bracelet or the whatever your accessory, you can do whatever you want with this braid. Okay, so I cut the excessive yarn. That's the bookmark tail. Now before I take that elastic band, I make the head part, which is I use beads. This is optional. It's totally up to you. Okay? Again, the beading is up to you. I like this idea because it's cute, but if you don't like it, you don't have to do it. Okay? You can use any yarn, any color, any length, it's all up to you. You don't really have to make the bookmark. You can make the necklace, bracelet, anklet. It's really up to you. Okay? Enjoy!